Hello everyone, welcome back to this video tutorial. In this tutorial, we're going to talk about how to use download managers up to download data up to the present option. We have already delivered another video to tell to teach everybody how to use the download manager, and this one is an very important option that we haven't talked too much in the last in the last video. That's why we have a standalone tutorial just for this option. The way how I'm going to uh, demo, I will follow through a scenario, and then just everybody can follow me. And let's just start the application. For example, I have started up my application, and you can see I haven't got anything uploaded as imported so far. So what I do is um, think about is like let's assuming last week we have download a data to this place in the B drive, the test folder ASX GDX 1 week ago. So suppose it's 1 week ago I used this application. Um, so I have a dedicated download schedule GDX. Okay, so let's just call it GDX. I'm gonna download all the gold ordinaries miners shares to here, to the B drive. Oh no, in the B drive in here. So okay, let's download a little bit less. Let's download a uh, maybe 3 months worth data in there. For example, that's from the July to, because today right now is 20th of October 2021. Let's assuming last week we did something to the 13th, maybe in 2 weeks, the 6th of October. So from this calendar, the end date, actually you can specify any previous date. So for example, if I click fresh download now, it would download from the July, the 1st of July to the 6th of October. So okay, let's just start it, download it now. Okay, let's review. The date is correct, the location is correct. Okay, let's just click OK button and start it downloading. It will takes minute. That looks very quick because it doesn't have too much data. That's good. All right, cool. Finished. As you can see, uh, I already have my data downloaded. To prove it, let's just import it, the data from that location we just downloaded. All right, so we change it to the correct location. Okay, and we just import it. Cool, there's 69 files being imported. Let's open a chart, for example. Um, let's just go EVN for the daily chart. As you can see, the data actually downloaded from 6th of July um, to the 5th of October. Okay, so for example, you haven't used this application for 2 weeks um, because assuming we did this download and we did a lot of work last week, but we haven't touched this application for 2 weeks. And then today we come back to keep working, and today is 20th of October in Australian time. And of course, the market has been traded for the past 2 weeks. We should have more data in there. So for example, let's just assuming we start up the application from the very beginning. let's say, okay, 20th of October, we're logging, we start our application, and we want to keep analyze the same market, but I want all the data in my folder. What happened? What you can do is you open up the download manager. As you can see, this schedule still there. It's saved to us. Um, Instead of start a fresh download, okay, you click the download data up to the present. What happened is this download manager will automatically download all the missing date from the 7th to the present date. So basically, we'll download all the missing day, missing data for the past 2 weeks. Okay, so and then you don't have to touch anything else. Every settings just remain the same. In the folder, it's the same folder, and you just click that download data up to the present. Okay, let's do it now. If I click it, so uh, the option is download schedule. Okay, to the present day. Well, it's maybe this description doesn't tell me too much, but it's actually will start to download it from the 7th of October to present day. As you can see, that's what it's trying to do, and it's downloading now for this 2 weeks. Actually, it's finished. All right, let's close up that one and also close download manager and start off. Okay, let's import the data from the same folder. If you specify the same market, it remembers last time you successfully imported that folder has actually been remembered by the application. You just click OK, we verified everything's the same. Just click that import button. So you can see instead of 69, now the 79 files, 79 files are processed successfully, which is the download manager getting all the missing data for us. If you open the chart now and put in the daily chart, as you can see, instead of 6th of October, now you have got many more bar showing off here. As you can see, the latest one is the 20th of October. So it's quite handy if you're focusing on your own market and you just happen to go, the weekend, or you've been in the holiday, you haven't been using this application for a while, and if you come back, you don't need to create another download schedule to get all this data for you. And instead of, you just don't delete this one, you leave it here because it's saved, and you just click the download data up to the present. There you got all the missing data, and you can keep analyzing your favorite market. Cool. As you can see, that one as well, daily chart. The present date is 20th of October as well. Cool. Okay, I think that's pretty much for this tutorial. I hope the content really helps you for your daily work. And if you have any questions, please put in the comments, and we'll answer your questions. And I'll see you in the next tutorial. Thanks for watching.